Today, I'll show you how to change the display name in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So basically, this is the name that appears whenever you're online or whenever you're playing online matches. And also this is the name that will appear on your friends list. So to change this name, simply launch the game and press the options button on your controller. From here, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon to reveal all settings. And within the settings, scroll down and select account and network. Choose that. Now from here, scroll down and select Activision account. So select that. And now you'll see your Activision ID and Black Ops 6 display name with this associated email. So as you can see, my display name is WebPro. So if you want to change it, simply select change display name. And then from here, type in the name that you'd like to change. And as you can see, you must have enough tokens for you to change your display name. So for me, I have 2 tokens. So let's change the display name. So once done, select confirm and restart. So choose that and keep in mind that you only earn tokens every 6 months. So if you don't have a token, you have to wait for 6 months so that you can change your name. So let's change the name. So let's type that again. Once done, confirm and restart. And that will change your name. Give the console a couple of minutes for the game to restart. And once done, the display name will be changed, as you have seen in the top right corner. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.